Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today we have a visually stunning whole roasted cauliflower coated in black sesame seed paste, creating a delicious dish. Let's make it. There are three reasons I'm really excited about today's cauliflower dish. One, it's visually stunning and the flavor is amazing. Two, we are revisiting our black sesame seed paste, which we featured in our vegan squid ink risotto. And three, we're utilizing the cheesecloth again, which we just used in our vegan spicy Italian sausage recipe. So we have two ingredients in-house ready to go. Beautiful things are happening. We're gonna start with brining our cauliflower. We're gonna add 8 cups of water to our pot. Turning it on medium. We're gonna add our brown sugar, 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add our salt, 3 tablespoons. 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. Togarashi, totally up to you. You could do a couple little dabs or a lot. What's up? And our last ingredient is our pickling spices. We're going to place in the cheesecloth. The reason I do this is because all of the little seeds and everything gets stuck inside the cauliflower. And I really like to keep those separate so we don't bite into a big seed. So the easiest way to do that is we're going to tie it up into a little bundle. And this way we'll get all the flavor without having the seeds in the cauliflower. And we're going to allow the brining mixture to just come to a boil. It's going to allow the salt and sugars to dissolve. There we go. We're going to add our pickling spices. Boom. We're going to let that steep for 10 minutes. It's time to add our cauliflower. We're going to place it upside down. And it's going to float a little bit, and if we need to add a little water, which we do, it's fine. There's plenty of big flavor in it. Okay, we're going to gently rotate our cauliflower. It's actually been in for 10 minutes. I know I said 5, I totally misspoke. We need the cauliflower to just be starting to cook. We're only going to do 5 minutes on this side, and then we're going to pull it out and we're going to do the next phase of cooking, which is roasting. Okay, we're going to gently pull the cauliflower out. Our brush to incorporate garlic and the 5 spice. And now we're going to just gently, because you know the cauliflower is very tender at this point. We're going to start brushing the cauliflower with the sesame oil and the 5 spice. Into the oven, 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. And then we're going to finish it up with our final glazing. Cauliflower is out of the oven. Our final coating, which is going to create all the drama, is our black sesame seed paste. To that we're going to combine rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon. We're going to start to incorporate the sesame with the vinegar, emulsifying it. Next we're going to add our black vinegar. It really reminds me of Worcestershire sauce, and it just brings so much umami to different flavor profiles. So we're going to continue to emulsify and mix. Next we're adding our black bean soy sauce. It should be thick, but not so thick that it's like a really unbrushable paste. It needs to be almost like a like a barbecue sauce texture and thickness. There we go. I had water on the side in case we need to thin it a little, but this guy's looking perfect. We're gonna add just a dash of extra virgin olive oil. It's gonna help make it crisp up a little bit. Adding a little fat will help with flavors. Now we're gonna use our pastry brush and we're gonna generously coat the cauliflower. Really just like almost like a clay mask, right? You're just like really clumping it on, creating a coating. And if your sesame paste mixture is a little thin, just add a little bit more sesame to thicken it up so that it's really thick. All right, it's looking yummy, yummy. We're gonna pop that in the oven for 15 minutes. See ya. Oh, the cauliflower is out of the oven and it looks amazing. We have all these little crispy edges and the glaze gets hard. It's almost like a little shell. And we can see inside a little bit, different colors, the white of the cauliflower, a little bit of the 5 spice happening. I absolutely love the look of this. The contrast is amazing. The aroma is amazing. All right, it's time to cut a wedge out. I'm extremely pleased with how the cauliflower turned out. We have the brining of the cauliflower, we have the roasting with the black sesame seed paste, creating this amazing contrast in color. I think it's time for me to take a bite and see what's really going on. All right, this is a perfect piece right here. What's up? Oh my God. Dude. The cauliflower is all about contrast. Contrast of color, contrast of texture. It's amazing. The earthiness of the sesame seed paste, the earthiness of the cauliflower. It's sweet, it's creamy, and it pairs perfectly with this soba noodle salad that has a curry vinaigrette, carrots, scallions, shiso leaves. Delicious. Great combination. I think you should make it next week. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.